cut this, polish that. You ready?
Ready? There you go, now you're excited.
Are you looking at adding a new saw jet to your...
A way that this kind of bottles up or bottleneck. That's the word.
Line.
You almost had it.
Cut you a deal. No, that's stupid. God, it was so good. God. Today we're going to be talking about.
You must have your line down now, huh?
You're throwing me off. Yes. Oh my God.
My cheeks were starting to twitch.
Not lean on it? Not lean on it? No? Hey, I hope you can see now why. Wait a minute.
One more time. Good morning, Brian.
Did you bring donuts?
Does he make me look short?
I can slouch.
Maybe you look taller. You step back a little more.
That shot of tequila was great.
I've had 2 already. Nice work, Brian. That looked like it went great.
We're going to get this. Got it. We got it. Okay.
We're back here at the Javelin. We've got 1 slab loaded and 1 ready to go. Let's fire this up.
Did you record that?
Yeah.
Stop laughing. And cut.
And that's a wrap. Or no.
I don't know.
If you liked what you saw today on the Savior... Oh my God.